Hello, and welcome. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, we're going to guide you step by step through the process of creating a Skype account on your mobile phone. Skype is a popular communication app by Microsoft that allows you to chat, make voice or video calls, and even host meetings with people around the world. And the good news, signing up for an account is completely free. Let's get started. First, go to Google Play Store. Search for Skype, and tap on the official Microsoft Skype app. Tap Install and wait for it to download and install on your device. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. When Skype opens for the first time, tap Start using Teams. Before that, please install the Microsoft Team application first. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Click Login, enter your email address. Then click Next. Then click Send Code. After that, open your email to get verification code. Copy and paste the code. Then click Login. Enter your first name and last name. Then enter your birthday and select your country. Then click Next again. Click OK. After the Microsoft Team account is created, you are returned to the Skype application page. Click Get Started. Click Continue. If you want to synchronize existing contacts on the device, please check the box above. Then click Continue. Click Continue. Tap Allow. Click OK. Click Got it. That's it. You've now successfully created a Skype account. You can now start chatting, calling, and video conferencing with your friends, family, or colleagues directly from your phone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.